Hello, this is Casey,
And Deren.
and we're with the Thompson Okanagan Collaborative of the Cascadia Green Building Council, and we're here in the beautiful sunny Okanagan Valley, Kelowna, British Columbia, working on our living building project. So, Deren, what do we have working today? What are we working on today?
So today what's happening is we're laying footings in today for our recycled concrete aggregate that we're putting in.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We're doing, and then later on later this week we'll be starting forming our walls and insulating those, super insulating those as well as the slab. So we have a approximately for technical people about an R20 in the basement slab. So the insulated foundation and basement slab, or sorry, the slab on grade is going to be super insulated, much more so than most houses. Another cool thing about the project is we are using recycled aggregate as opposed to fresh virgin aggregate
Mm,
for all of the concrete we're using here,
great.
as well as a paper product, which is we add into to make it a little bit stronger, which is also pretty cool. So that's
Do you want to tell our viewers why that's so important to use recycled aggregate and other?
funny. I was just actually chatting with a friend of mine about the draw on sand in the world and material supply in the world, and we are consuming sand and gravel at a rate that's unprecedented in history. I remember um, the plight of excavation happening all the way up into the beautiful mountains of Japan, way up in the mountains, and beautiful hikes up there, and they're digging rock out of
Mm-hmm.
the riverbeds to make concrete, which is um, well, it's
Sad.
debatable, but it
It's
seems kind
hard.
of sad
Mm-hmm.
when we have all the stuff that we've already used, which we should be recycling. Now, in other countries such as the United States, they're actually on site. They're taking a lot of they have these little machines that basically tow behind any excavation equipment, and they take the concrete and actually smash it up on site and make little piles sorted out by various sizes, so we can
Mm-hmm.
actually reuse it right on site for backfill or gravel.
So I think some people might be interested in hearing more about how you go about sourcing recycled concrete. Is that something special you need to do, or is it readily available?
So in this valley, one of the concrete producers and one of the two big concrete producers has been doing a lot of research with the university on actual recycled aggregate in their concrete, and to this point, they've got no tests that show anything different than behavior of normal concrete, which is excellent.
So the recycled concrete performs at the same level
Yeah,
as new. Okay,
yeah. So
fantastic.
approved and CSA approved and all this stuff, which is very cool.
Yep.
So ask your local supplier what they can do about the recycled content of their concrete.
Okay. Anything else?
By the time we talk next, we should see a slab. We could see foundation walls and footings of walls and backfilled and possibly even a slab by the time we chat next. So,
Do you want to just quickly
okay,
point it out to them on
sure.
the? Yeah, I'll just turn this around. Yeah.
So you can see our footings going in here. This pit over here on the side, as you can sort of see, is the for our rainwater tanks, which will be arriving next week.
Yep.
Here's our footings, and our walls will be going up here, and so this will be all a beautiful little slab, and you'll see little pokes of white insulation around the perimeter of the walls to insulate it
Okay.
when we get together next. Have
Great.
fun.
Thanks, Darren. Bye,
Ciao.
everyone. Have a great day.